Hi Megs, thank you so much for taking the time to assist our team in testing our potential travel helper app. Specifically, our app aims to help people preparing for an upcoming trip and assist them in determining what they should and should not pack. Often travelers forget to pack items that are essential to one's trip, which end up making or breaking the trip. Our product helps to avoid this problem. Using information such as travel destination and travel dates, our product would curate possible outfit options that our users might possibly want to pack. Any outfit inspiration or packing tips they like, users can add to their travel board, which is their personal area for organizing what they want to bring to their destination. Our team has 4 tasks in which we would like you to complete using our paper prototype of the website. Each piece of paper will act like a screen on a computer, and the pen will act like your mouse and keyboard. Areas where you usually type, you would use the pen to write in, and areas where you click, you tap the pen in that area. Lastly, if a part of the website is not prototyped, we have an under construction web page. And if we need time to load the next web page, we have another piece of paper indicating that. Speak out loud as you navigate through the paper prototype, making sure to voice any frustrations or confusions you have regarding this prototype. I also just want you to know that this is not a test and you just want your input. Thank you. So this is your first task.
Do you want me to read it out loud?
Yes, please.
Okay. You're going to Rome for 5 days. While you are there, you will visit the Vatican. Task 1, create a new account. Create a new account. Okay, so I would click. Should I actually write?
Go for it.
Okay, so that would be write down my email. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Write down my password, and then circle female, and then click create.
Perfect. That was test 1. Here's test 2. Okay.
Log in and create a new trip board for your trip to Rome. Do I still need to log in? Okay, so I'll write down my email. Write down my password. Click sign in. Create a new trip board. Okay, so trip to Rome. Well, there is no Rome. What? Oh, plan new trip, sorry.
Don't apologize.
Okay, where? Click, we'll type in Rome when June 1st to June 7th. What will you be doing? I will be going to the Vatican. Begin planning.
Perfect. Here's your next task.
Okay. Add items to your trip board. I don't know how to add items to a trip board.
That is fine. I would just...
Is design your trip a button? Are these pictures?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you heart them.
Yes.
Okay. So I will heart this one, heart this one, heart this one.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then your last task is this.
Explore past or upcoming trip boards. View trip board. And then back to trips. So I want to go to Lake Tahoe. Okay, back to trips. And then go to Vienna.
Perfect.
And then go back to trips.
Thank you so much, Megs.
We wanted to go over some of the observations we got from our testing and some of the resolutions we thought of to combat these observations. 2/3 of our users did not use the sign-in page correctly and started entering their email before making a new account, and our user commented that they wanted to be able to specify their personal style more so that their curated outfits were more specific to their taste. To assist in this, we wanted the user to be able to log into their Instagram account, which would allow for more personalized suggestions, for example, pulling from who the user follows and what pictures the user likes on Instagram can help build a more personal board. Our second observation was that users were confused about how to begin creating a new trip board and where to go to begin piecing it together. For the homepage, we want to add a page title that will make the plan new trip button clearer. We also want to organize and style the headers for future trips and past trips, so the headings are consistent with the plan new trip button section, tying into Norman design principles. We think that reconsidering alignment of those headers will allow for better understanding.
Our third observation is that when the user was creating a new trip, the user was unsure on how to use the Add New Location button. To fix this, we realized that the user has multiple locations for one trip. The specific place needs to correspond to the specific date so that the weather is accurate. We want to add an additional destination section and reorganize the way the location corresponds to the dates to allow the users to enter a second location in their trip easily. Our fourth observation is that the user added unnecessary detail to this location, such as eating dinner. We will give a list of activities that the visitors to the specialized location often participate in, like common landmarks, and have the user select from that list rather than them typing in everything they plan on doing.
When users were attempting task 4 and they wanted to go from their design your trip board to the home page, they were having a hard time because they had to go to view your trip board and then back to original ships. And so to combat this, we decided we're going to add a header, which when you click Inventum, our name, it will take you back to the home page. When users were attempting task 3, they had a hard time understanding how you actually add images and tips to the trip board. So we're going to make a suggestion so that before they see a mini tutorial of how they do that. Additionally, when they were on their trip board, they wanted a way to delete previous items that they've added and how to add these items to a different trip board. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add a button for each of those.
Overall, paper prototyping has helped our team identify some flaws in our design. We plan on making some large as well as small changes to improve our design.